RDCA-DAP is an effort entirely funded by FDA that started in 2019. It is both a program and a platform for all rare disease that is run out of the Critical Path Institute in partnership with the National Organization for Rare Disorders, NORD. It is a platform designed to aggregate rare disease data for all rare disease, standardize that data, and make that data available to external users on a public platform that is entirely free for use. Our goal is to break silos in data sharing and get that data used by scientific communities to help advance solutions for rare disease. It is designed to maximize both the utility and the use of rare disease data. Maximize the use, again, through a public interface that scientists can access to analyze the data online. Maximize the value by a specific format that is implemented by our team for that platform. It is a technology really built in to extract as much information as you can out of the data and create innovation, both through a format implemented and that is very specific to the platform, but also online analytical tools that we make available to the users of the platform. So the effort started in 2019 and that was really the kick start of the program and the platform, and so really worked very fast and launched the platform about 1.5 years ago in September 2021. So that was really a fast development leading to the opening of that platform, which means that since then the platform is there, running, and users are actively using the data. The progress of the platform is continuing. We are refining all the time how the platform works, how we can better streamline the user's experience, how we can refine the tools that we provide to the users of the platform. So the work is really ongoing. We need data to make a rare disease data platform, so that's obvious, but that's been part of the work on the programmatic side of RDCA-DAP, with hundreds of communication led to all the ecosystem, including industry, registry, foundation, and academics, to discuss about the effort, what we're trying to achieve, and also convince people to share data for the greater of good to RDCA-DAP. And so to date, we have more than 30 different rare diseases represented in the platform with at least one data set. That includes data from industry, academics, and again, registries. And it's continuing, and we are always negotiating sharing of data to the platform so that we can continue to build. And really, the long-term vision of the platform is that having all the rare disease data in the same place, in the same data format, so that we're going to open innovation, we're going to open potential for cross-disease discovery, so that ultimately one disease can inform the other. And so that's already a tremendous success. We're starting to see outcomes out of the use of the data on the platform, including a publication that's being worked by a scientist in Europe, for example, taking a look at our rare ataxia data. We just had a recent example from an industry leveraging the data that we have in RDCA-DAP, leveraging that data to inform their drug development activities that led to the first approval for a disease called Friedreich ataxia. So these are some of the successes that continue to arrive, but also on the program side, we're starting to be able to leverage the data that we have. So to be able to do some of the solutions that we do at CPAF, we need a certain amount of data. For that, we need a few data sets, and that's starting to arise. And so right now, we are working on the program side to leverage that data. And we are building what we call task forces, which are focus groups dedicated to using that data to inform drug development for new rare disease, where the Critical Path Institute doesn't really have activities yet. That includes the work for progressive supranuclear palsy, but also a lot of new areas that we are vetting. We have a lot of neurodevelopmental data that was shared to us, and that's really going to be an effort that we aim at launching at the beginning of next year, for example. So that's really on the program side, where we use the data ourselves to build solutions to inform drug development for rare disease, with the ultimate goal of bringing more therapies for rare disease patients.